In this video, I show you how to recover deleted photos on Android. For doing this, open your Gallery app, then click on Trash, or you can click on three dot. You can see here Trash or Recycle Bin option, click on it. Then you can see your deleted photos and videos. Then click on Restore. Select which photo you want to restore, then click on Restore. Then Allow. I delete this photo from WhatsApp folder. I can see that here. Recover deleted photos. Now I hope that this method recovered rid photos on Android. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.